Hello dear students, in the previous lecture we have discussed the derivation of balanced star connection, and today I am dealing with the derivation of balanced delta connection system. This is a circuit diagram. So R, Y, B, at the load side R, Y, B, and we all know that the voltage between two lines is line voltage VRY, similarly VYB, and third one VBR. These are the three line voltages in delta connection system. The current flowing from each line taken as line current IR, IY and IB. Similarly, at the load side, the voltage between this phase R and B is connected, B and Y connected, Y and R connected. That's why the voltage between this phase is VRB, because R and B are connected, VRB. Similarly, here what happens? VYB, and here VRY. These are the three phase voltages. And line currents, the current IR is coming here, the current IB is also coming. So two currents at this phase, that's why you will take IRB, and here IYB, and here IRY. Very simple. Across the line, this is a supply side, three-phase supply, 400 volt will be given to the machine. So these are the lines RYB, these are the phases RYB. At the line side, the voltage between two lines is line voltage VRY, VYB, VBR. The current flowing from each line is IR, IY, IB. So I will write here the line voltages. So here I written line voltage VL is equal to VRY, VYB, VBR, these three, and line currents are IR, IY and IB. Okay. Similarly, the phase voltage means VPH, here VRY, VYB, VBR. These are the phase voltages. And phase current means current flowing through each phase, IRB, IYB, IRY, IRY, IYB, IBR. These are the phase currents. By comparing line voltages and phase voltages, so what you will get? VRY, VRY, VYB, VYB, VBR, VBR, same. So VL is equal to VPH in three-phase delta connection system. But line currents comparison, IR, IRY, IY, IYB, IB, IBR. So line currents are not equal to phase currents in delta current system. Hence, let us derive the relationship between line current and phase current in three-phase delta current system, because line voltage and phase voltage are equal, so no need to derive anything here. So only we need to derive the relationship between IL and IPH. Let us apply the KCL at node R, Y and B. At node R, incoming currents is equal to outgoing currents. So incoming currents are IR is incoming and IRY is also incoming. IRB is outgoing. So applying KCL at node R, incoming currents is equal to outgoing currents, and IR plus IRY is equal to IBR. Here you can see at node R, incoming current is IR, IRY is also incoming, outgoing current is IBR or IRB. So here written same thing. Or this equation can be written as IR is the line current, IRY and IBR are the phase current. That's why you can separate here. IR is equal to IBR minus IRY. Equation number 1. Similarly, applying KCL at node Y, what happens? At node Y, incoming current is IY. Incoming current is IY plus, and one more incoming current is IYB. That is IYB is equal to outgoing current from node Y is IRY. So IRY. So IY is equal to IRY minus IYB is the second equation. Similarly, at node B, incoming current is IB plus IBR is equal to IYB. So we got at node B, IB plus IBR is equal to IYB, IB is equal to IYB minus IBR, third equation. So we got three equations, IR, IY, IB are the line currents, IRY, IBR, IRY, these are the phase currents. Let us draw the phasor diagram. See here, very important. First to take the phase currents as the reference lines, which are the assumed positive directions. Remember, IRY, the line current, phase current. Here you can see the phase currents IRY, IYB, IBR. IRY is nothing but what? It's IPH. And IYB, this is also IPH, and IBR, third one. All three phases are displaced by an angle 120 degree. So the phase angle between these two is 120. This is also 120 and this is also 120. That's why you can say it's a balanced system. And now to draw these equations in the phasor diagram, IR is equal to IBR minus IRY. So to get the IR value, we need to draw IBR minus IRY. IBR is here. These are all the assumed positive directions. Remember, you can assume any direction. So plus IBR. So minus IRY is required. To get the minus value, always you can take opposite to this plus. Plus IRY is there. So opposite to this, you will get minus IRY. So this is the minus IRY. So if you want to take the phase angle, the angle this will be 60 and this will be 60. And resultant value will be IR. So the resultant will be IR. Now you can join this. Similarly, draw the second and third equation. IY is equal to IRY plus IRY is available here. We required minus IYB. Minus IYB means it is a plus IYB. So opposite to this, you will get the minus IYB. And again same thing, resultant is IY. And third one, IB is equal to IYB plus IYB minus IBR. Plus IYB is here, minus IBR. Plus IBR is here, minus IBR means opposite to this. Minus IBR. The resultant of this will be IB. And join this. So this is the complete phasor diagram of IR, IY and IB. All three equations are written in the vector diagram or phasor diagram. And we can this phase angle will be 30 degree. This is also 30 and this is also 30. So now take O, A and B and let us draw the perpendicular to the vector OA, so that OA, this is C, center of this. So from the triangle OAC, we can write cos of 30 degree is equal to, cos theta is equal to OC by OA. OC means what? Half of this IY by 2 divided by OA means IRY. Here it is, this is cos theta. Cos theta means cos 30 degree. So finally we can write root 3 by 2 cos 30 value is equal to IY means it is IL by 2, IRY means it is IPH. So 2 will be get cancelled. So simply you will get IL is equal to root 3 IPH. That's it. This is the conclusion, that VL is equal to VPH and IL is equal to root 3 IPH. Finally, the power 3 times of VPH IPH cos pi. The power expression is same as that of this star. No change. 3 into VPH means VL in the case of delta. IPH means IL by root 3 into cos pi. This equation can be written as root 3 VL IL into cos pi. So this is the expression of power. Dear students, please go through this video again and make your own notes, and then practice 2 to 3 times. Then you can easily get this derivation. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Thank you.